What's in the European Art Backpack? First of all, we have a great backpack with lots of stuff you can touch and play with, but remember, we don't touch any of the art that's on display. So everything in the backpack can be touched, and then it's put back in the backpack. So let's take a look at what we have. So first of all, we have these two pockets on the front. The first pocket on the bottom has all the pencils and sharpeners that you'll need to do some of the activities in the backpack. Remember that we only draw on the paper that we give you in the backpack. And then in the top pocket, we have a map. And you'll be using a map with European art quite a bit because you're going to be looking at where different countries are and visiting the art in those countries. So this is a good thing to see first off. Okay, so then when we open the backpack, we have a lot of things in here. The first thing you want to look for is a packet of activities. And we have both English and Spanish. And in this packet are all the activities that you can do with the things that you see in the backpack. And it'll lead you through all the different countries that we're going to visit and the different things you can do. And they're both in there. Also in this pocket is a clipboard, so when you are doing some of the activities on paper, you'll be able to write on the clipboard so that you don't have to use the floor or the walls. Okay, so when you open it, you also have a lot of different activities. In this big bag here, we have a whole bunch of fruits and glasses and plates and different food to do a still life activity. You'll learn what a still life is, and you'll be able to draw some of these just like the old masters did. We also have in this back packet some souvenirs. And souvenirs are something that people from all over the world love to get when they go to different areas around Europe, and they're really fun to think about getting your souvenirs, and we're going to learn about paintings that are souvenirs, and that'll be fun as well. Okay, we also have in this pouch here a mirror. You're going to be able to do your own self-portrait or a portrait of somebody else, and a mirror will help you do that. Another thing we have that'll help you is in the big pocket is a frame, and you'll be able to hold that up to your face, and you'll be able to draw a frame or look and see how a portrait on your friend might look with a frame around it. Okay, we also have in this pocket here a music player. And the music player will help you listen to some music that there's instruments depicted in the paintings, and you'll be able to actually hear them. Remember, you have to turn it on in the back, and then you push the button to hear the music. But when you're done, be sure and turn it off before you put it back so that the battery is saved. Okay, in the last pocket, we have a whole bunch of flowers. And these flowers are shown in different still lifes and other paintings in the European galleries, and they're listed of what they are so you can match them up in the paintings. So all of these, as we said, are things that you can do activities with and touch and think about. All of them also are used with our take-home packet. And the take-home packet is something that you get to take home with you. It has sheets in it that you get to draw on, things that you get to make, stories you get to tell. These are the things you get to take home. Everything in the backpack goes back to the visitor services desks, and everything that's in the packet you get to keep. So hopefully you'll have a great time exploring European art with our European backpack.